Can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Friday and I just got to work. I just got here like 20 minutes ago. I was ripping and running around stocking stuff. But it's currently 8:06 a.m. and I'm about to hang these hooks up because I need more coat space. First of all, my coat is like touching the ground. I got the longest coat in the world. But I need a more coat rack space because these two hooks is not enough. And when we have like guests and people to come for meetings, they like to sit their jackets on top of mine, and I have like an OCD thing. I feel like right here would be a good spot too. But at the same time, it might be in the way. I'll put one right there, one right here, and one right there. I'm gonna just put hooks all over. My boss probably gonna be like, absolutely not. But it's okay. So this is how it looks without it. And I'm gonna just sit one next to it. And let that sit for a little bit before I add any weight. So this is my jacket. It's hanging damn near on the ground. Maybe I should have put it higher up. It's pretty sturdy. I might have to take something home. For real. You guys, I have the most exciting news ever, but I'm not allowed to tell that to anybody. I only told like 5 people, but it's people that I work with, so it don't really count. There's nobody that nobody knows, so. And I have even more exciting news for myself, but I really have not told nobody except one person, 2 people. But technically 1 person. I'll keep the extra adhesive. Oh, we're supposed to wait 24 hours before sticking something on it. Alright. But I wish I could share my news with y'all. For real. But some things are better left unsaid, and the best things happen when you close your mouth. So I'm just gonna do that exact thing and close my mouth. I know it's a different setting, but I just want to give y'all a little rundown. If you have an apartment, because I do, if you have an apartment and your landlord or your maintenance or nobody doing what they need to be doing, all you have to do, go on ChatGPT, have them tell them the issues that you've been having, whether it's the toilet, the shower, the fridge, whatever it is. For me, it was a lot of different little issues going on. And it was making it seem like I'm just lying and there's nothing wrong with nothing. Kept having maintenance come here when I wasn't home. Didn't even notify me that they was in my apartment. Leaving all my lights on. Don't even show me my Pico bill statement, but be charging me $300 a month. It just be a lot of weird stuff going on. So I said, until I get the statements that I'm in charge, until this gets fixed, until that gets fixed, y'all not getting rent. This is the fastest they've ever came and fixed everything. Order me a new fridge, get all this stuff. The manager of that. And I'm like, because y'all playing with me. It been months, like, since I moved in, and it been little stuff that's been bothering my shower. Would have been cool. They're like, oh, you share a water unit with the people next door, so it's probably because it's her using. She ain't use all that damn hot water. 10 o'clock at night, ain't nobody showering but me. I get home late. After 12 hours of being outside all day, you mean to tell me I can't take a hot shower and I'm paying for water? Nobody's getting money out of me until he's fixed. So he came and fixed everything himself because clearly his maintenance crew can't do it. Why your maintenance ain't here and I'm not home? So I told him, Second Amendment exists. If I come home and see somebody in my apartment that I did not let in my apartment, I'm going to assume they're up to no good, and that's going to be on your hands, for real. So he's like, I understand. I said, let's talk about boundaries and respect. I put my foot down. That's the thing. People be thinking I'm so nice and I'm so this. You're not getting paid when it comes to my safety. So if I put a note in, a ticket in to do something, that's fine. I said y'all can come in when I'm not home, but notify me. Don't just be popping up, fixing stuff, fixing it, and then thinking like, oh yeah, everything was done. When was it done? Because that was 3 days ago. So when out of the days and they come in leaving the lights on, leaving the heat on, and then my bill go up. Let's talk about boundaries and respect. You're not gonna keep disrespect. I said, how would you feel if I came up to your home and started doing stuff? I said, no, you're right. They should not have been doing that. They should not have. I said, since I moved in, they've been doing it. Even the cleaners knocking up on my door. I said I was booty button naked. I had to get myself together because I didn't know they was coming. It was like, oh, that's not maintenance. That's the problem. You got maintenance and cleaners coming up into my home. Like, it's just that. Like, I don't care what code y'all know to the door. Don't be coming in my apartment without notifying me. Ugh, where do they do that at? Are you crazy? But everything was fixed except I'm waiting on the fridge to come. I don't know about the shower because it be real late at night and I get it's winter, so it's probably not gonna be like piping hot all the time, but it's like it be barely piping hot period at night sometimes. And I'm just like, yo, I said I had to take a bird bath. You know what them people gonna say? I think it was Elise office. That's by choice. I said, nobody's getting rent. Nobody's getting Pico. Nobody's getting nothing. Nobody's getting paid water. Nobody's getting paid trash. I pay water, trash, electric, Pico, this, that, whatever, except Wi-Fi. And even the Wi-Fi be icky. And you gonna tell me I took a bird bath by choice? Sometimes that Philly just wanna come out of me. And I'm like, keep it very demure. Seriously, keep it very demure. But you wanna tell me I took a sink bath by choice, woman? I had to wait till the morning for the water to be hot. After 12 hours of working, going to school, and then going to the gym, I had to take a bird bath and I pay for water. She said, the water works. You're not paying for it if it's hot. Everybody wanna test me. But no, for real, like y'all be wanting to leash it out of me and I really be trying to be patient. So I said, you know what? We're not gonna go that route. We ain't gonna go ghetto. We ain't gonna go south. We're gonna go, you're going to court, you're not getting paid, you're gonna have to drag me out. They said, we're not doing none of that. Nobody wants to do none of that. Let's go fix it. Get the manager. The manager came to fix it as he should have been. They fixed everything. Bright as hell in here. I started adding stuff to the list. I made a list. As he talks to me, I'm like, checking off the list because you got me messed up. Like, why y'all trying to stress me out when I just moved here? But I bet you none of that gonna happen again. As soon as he left, he hopped out. I said, you need to tell them today to not walk into my stuff unless I get permission. That minute, call my phone. Is it okay to answer? Don't just be thinking you could pop up because y'all put a ticket in 48 hours ago. 48 hours ago, I had it on my mind. Today, I'm out of my business. I come home, let me come home and it's a man in my home. With every light on the day, you already irritate me, wasting my electricity. Then you're in my crib without telling me. I'm gonna talk to you later. If you need more advice on how to keep people in check, ask me, because I'm about to start putting everybody else back in check. I've been too nice. Oh, bro.
Do you think my brain is made for